Welcome to my YouTube channel, Socially Fast Tech. In this video I will show you 10 soft skills that can make you money abroad. Do you know that there are some soft skills you can learn that can change your life abroad? Some of these simple skills can save you money, provide you with income, or form the foundation of a very good, profitable business. Here are some of the skills. 1. Driving. Driving is a life-saving skill every young person should learn how to do. The US has the same driving system as Nigeria, right-hand drive, while the UK has left-hand drive. You can obtain an international driver's license and use it to drive in the UK for 1 year upon arrival. Driving can help you make money from doing Uber easier in the US, or partnering with food delivery companies, Uber Eats, Just Eat, Deliveroo. 2. Cooking. NAIJA Food. If you are a good chef, this is one soft skill that can save you from hunger and financial lack. There are tons of supermarkets abroad selling Nigerian food items and cooking is very pocket-friendly. Plus, if you can cook Nigerian delicacies well, a lot of Nigerians will be willing to contract you to cook for their families or events, for a handsome fee. 3. Hairstyling. This is gold abroad as many Nigerian women are always on the lookout for someone who can do wonders to their hair, braiding, locking, fixing. If you can do this, you won't lack customers on weekends. 4. Sewing. If you can cut, pattern and sew, especially with native materials, then you will be in high demand here. All you need for customers to suffocate you with materials and requests is to make really good clothes someone will wear to a party and spread the word. Your business can grow by word of mouth. 5. Barbing. For guys, many salons here don't know what to do with the male African hair. If you can cut well and give a good fade, you can easily make £15 to £20 per haircut and even save your own money if you can barb yourself. 6. Photography. If you have a professional camera and can take some very good shots, all you need is tell people you can do this. You will get requests for birthday photo shoots, professional shots, wedding shoots, etc. This is a hugely marketable skill abroad. 7. Writing. If you can write well, you will always be in demand. From companies looking for good writers to create their social media content, to individuals looking for brilliant writers to articulate their thoughts in essays, books, writing projects, proposals, you can earn solid cash from writing. The most beautiful thing about this. You can do this remotely. Just you, your laptop screen and money. 8. Graphic design. If you are good with Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator and can bang out good designs, you will be in demand. Businesses need flyers, individuals need beautiful designs for social media and you can be their go-to person. 9. Web design, software development. Even if you can't code, if you understand the basics of web design and can make beautiful, dynamic websites, you can make money. Individuals and companies are always looking for good web designers. If you can code and can develop softwares, you are the boss. You can make cool cash from tech companies who will always need brilliant developers. Again, remote work. 10. Videography, video editor. If you can make a good video or are very good at editing videos, you can make cool cash on the side. You can cover events, birthdays, weddings, graduations, just let people know that you are good at this. If you can edit videos, you can earn massively from persons in need of good video editors for social media content, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram. You can earn well from some of these skills from Nigeria even without relocating. Some of these skills can be learned for free on YouTube and from taking some free courses on Udemy, Coursera and the likes. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please do well to like this video, subscribe and also tell us which of these skills are you good at. Let us know in the comment. Are there other soft skills I have missed? Let me know in the comment too.